In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover Amazon account username and password. We're going to use Google's built-in password manager, which securely stores logins you've saved in Chrome or on Android. This method works if you previously saved your Amazon credentials to your Google account, and it keeps everything protected behind your Google sign-in. Start by opening your favorite web browser. In the address bar, type account.google.com and press enter. If you aren't already signed in, log into your Google account. Make sure this is the specific account where you usually save passwords, often the same one you use in Chrome's Save Password prompt, or on your Android device. Using the right Google account is important because the saved Amazon details live there. Once you're on your Google account page, look for Password Manager. Depending on the layout, you might see it right away, or you may find it under the Security section. Click Password Manager to open your vault of saved logins. Inside Password Manager, use the search bar and type amazon.com. You should see an entry for Amazon. If you have more than one entry, pick the one that matches the site you use. Go ahead and click the Amazon listing to open it. For security, Google will ask you to verify your identity before showing any hidden details. Enter your Google account password or complete whatever verification method your device uses, like fingerprint, Face ID, or a two-step prompt. This safeguard protects your information so only you can view it. After you've verified, you'll see the username field, often an email address or phone number, alongside the password. If the password is hidden, click the little eye icon to reveal it. You can copy the username and password if you need to paste them somewhere, but be mindful of where you store them. If you're writing them down, keep them in a secure place. If you're copying to the clipboard on a shared device, clear it afterward for privacy. That's it. You've recovered your Amazon account username and password using Google Password Manager. This is a quick, safe way to retrieve credentials you've already saved, and it helps you get back into your account without guessing or resetting anything. Remember, keep your Google account secure with a strong password and two-factor authentication so your saved logins stay protected. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.